Is Discord stuck in an endless update loop? If you keep seeing the update failed message every time you launch the app, you're not alone. This issue is usually caused by corrupted cache files, network problems, or permission settings. In this guide, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix the Discord update failed loop. First, close Discord completely. Make sure it's not still running in the background by checking your system tray or task manager. Once it's fully closed, launch the app again and see if the update completes. Next, try running Discord with administrator privileges. This gives the app permission to install updates and modify files that may otherwise be restricted. One of the most common fixes is clearing Discord's cache. Corrupted update files can cause Discord to get stuck in a loop. Deleting temporary cache folders allows the app to download fresh files. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Discord updates. Temporarily check your security settings and ensure Discord is allowed through the firewall. An unstable network can interrupt updates. Restart your router, switch networks if possible, or disable VPN services that might interfere with Discord's connection, If nothing else works, uninstall Discord and download the latest version from the official website. A clean installation usually resolves update-related issues caused by damaged files. And that's how to fix the Discord update failed loop. By clearing cache files, checking permissions, and reinstalling the app if needed, you can usually get Discord updating normally again. So yeah, hopefully you're back online and chatting without any interruptions. Thanks for watching.